Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. Oh my gosh, AMC GameStop looking amazing right now. We got Pudgy first in the chat. What's going on, Pudgy? Frank Shredder, Pudgy, Tim, Pudgy Shredder, and Hemi Life. What's going on, guys? Moving on over to the market, it is looking amazing right now. Shiba Inu coin, top right, sitting only down 0.77% of the day, 1097 after bouncing off some lows earlier, with Bitcoin going back above $30,000 per coin. AMC sitting at 1316 right now, up 10+% on the day. AMC is rolling into the close, man. We get GameStop, bottom left and bottom right at the moment. We'll move one of those here. GameStop sitting at $149.40, up 16.5% on the day. Absolutely rolling right now. It is looking good, guys. The NASDAQ is sitting up 1%. We've got Biora Therapeutics at 76 cents per share. Ethereum in the green. Bitcoin and Shiba barely in the red. Look at this roll. Look at this run on Bitcoin here. Look at this run on Bitcoin. Coming right up to this channel, the upper limit on the channel there. Looking like it might want to retest it again, man. Volatility is returning. Looking ridiculous on a daily chart there. Massive, massive hammer. We've got Mullen Auto is down 4.5%. Sundial up 1.5%. CEI up 0.5%. The SPY's up 1%. BBIG down 1.5%. Highcraft Mining down 3%. Netflix up 1%. And Redbox rolling at 8.18 right now. My goodness, I thought Redbox was going to give me a chance to buy it, but apparently it is not. My gosh. It is hitting a level of resistance though, okay? So if you're on the daily and you're looking at this line right in here, it is coming right into resistance. So be careful if you guys are thinking about Redbox right now. Take some profits if you got some, all that good stuff. But just be a little cautious with those levels of resistance there. Shut up. I'm sticking around till market close. Hanging with family. Very nice, Shredder. Glad to have you in here for the next 8 minutes, man. Shib is running. Green candles are so pretty. Green candles are beautiful, John Jay. Let's push the last 10 minutes for Crypto Rockets here. Let's go on another 10% run in the last 10 minutes. Dude, I'm cool with that. Anybody else cool with another 10% run in the last 10 minutes? I absolutely am. I believe it is running. GameStop and AMC running because Gary Gensler is going to be talking somewhere later on this week. I don't know if it was tomorrow or Thursday, about payment for order flow. A lot of people right now speculating that old Gary G is going to be blocking, or at least, what is the word? Like restructuring or something. It's going to be looking into and speaking on payment for order flow. So we shall see what Gary Gensler says about payment for order flow later on this week. Clearly, investors in GameStop and AMC expecting a ban on payment for order flow tomorrow. All right, cool. Crypto Rockets here. Thank you. Expecting a ban on payment for order flow. The last thing that I would want to see, man, the last thing that I would want to see is a ban on payment for order flow and the price of AMC and GameStop does not squeeze. I think that would really hurt. I think that would really hurt retail investors, man. I don't know. I think they've put so much, I guess, emphasis on payment for order flow that if we did ban it and nothing happened, I think everybody would be upset. Hey, bros, what's going on? Stig? Hi, bros. Tony Loverboy, Ton Loverboy, how you doing? I'm so stinking tired of Lunk. Sold everything and bought Shib. Hey, Emil. Yeah, Luna Classic is definitely a very risky play, man. I know a lot of people getting upset with it. It is down again. 10+% today. What was it sitting at? 800 or 700 points per coin. I forget what it was at. No, I just looked at it like a half hour ago. 700 points per coin, 7,000 points per coin, whatever you want to say there. 4 zeros and a 7, and it is down 10+% on the day. I know it's getting hit very hard right now. GameStop going on a little run, guys. We've got GameStop sitting here at, oh no, that's Redbox. My gosh, I thought it was Redbox or GameStop bottom left. Redbox going on another little run, sitting at $8.31 right now. Is it going to break an intraday high? We're going to have to see and hold up, but like I say, guys, watch out for this level of resistance right in here if you guys are getting into Redbox. And AMC pulling back slightly. GameStop, bottom right, pulling back slightly. Shiba Inu coin, dude, Shiba Inu coin ain't even moving right now. I'm not even going to call that a pullback. Luna Classic versus Luna 2. My gut says just hold them both. Don't expect anything, but if it does go up any, that'd be positive. Losing or jumping ship on Shiba Inu and not an option. Staying forever. Hashtag gains, baby. Let's make it happen, John Jay. Nah, dude, I think that Shiba's going to be good. I think the entire crypto market's going to be good. Whatever survives this massive bear market that we're in, I think it's going to be pretty good moving forward. I don't know if it's going to hit a new intraday high into the close here or not. It's 1 cent away from hitting an intraday high. I think it might get it. Redbox rolling today, man. A 25+% gain. And then this stock. I don't know if it was Keith or who it was that mentioned this stock yesterday. This one, man. AERC. Did you guys see this? This is ridiculous. This stock yesterday was up. What did it gain yesterday? We get percentage gains on here? No. But the previous close was $2.37. Closed at $4.75. More than, it basically doubled in price yesterday. And today, rocketing higher. Oh my gosh, on massive volume. So they had an FDA approval of some air purification type deal. I don't know if it's like an actual purifier, if it's, I don't know what their FDA approval was. But it is rolling today, man. It was halted a couple times today. I've been watching it. Halted a couple times today, but massive gains. Pulled back to about $10 a share and then bounced back up and having some trouble in this resistance area once more. But my goodness, 166% gain after a 100% gain the day prior. Going from basically $2 to $14 in a 2-day period. Incredible gains in AERC, and it is not able to hit a Redbox, not able to hit an intraday. Oh, there it goes. Spoke too soon. We got intraday highs right there. Hey, bro, Moneymaker Review shouted you out on YouTube upload on Shib and Luna. Nice, man. That's what I'm talking about, Aviv. I like it. Shout out to that guy as well, man. Thank you for letting me know. Did he do it in one of his recent videos, or when did he do it? Juana Silva, how are you? What's going on, Juana? How's your day going? Hey, bro. Man, you guys hear that rain? That rain is wild. Hey, bro, wanted to thank you for steering me the right way on Shib. I looked into it after your stream yesterday, and I said I would be the first to admit I was wrong. But, hey, look, listen, Long Johnson, man, you ain't never got to admit that you're wrong or anything like that. But there's a lot more than meets the eye in what's going on there. And I know a lot of people don't see it, but it's okay. You don't have to. You don't have to get into it if you don't want to, but nice, man. We got a new member for the Shiba Army, Long Johnson. What's going on? And Redbox rolling in the last 2 minutes of the day here. $8.47. I don't know. What are you guys saying? That's a strong gain for the day. I may expect some after-hours pullback, especially being in this area right here, man. This major boom, 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 major level of resistance that we're at right now. May expect some sort of a pullback, so we will have to see if it does right in this area. We're going to keep our eyes on that. Frank, man, member for 10 months. Exited my AMC cash secure puts on this run. Final profits, drum roll, please. 28.4%. Frank, amazing job, man. Very good. 28.4%. You cannot beat it, dude. I love the name Long Johnson. I call you Mr. Call him Mr. Johnson. Thoughts on charge points? Charge points, CHPT. Look, a lot of these electric vehicle charging stations and charging companies, you know, especially the ones that are building infrastructure, they've got to be longer term plays, man. I don't expect, you know, charging stations to just pop up overnight anywhere. And the amount of charging stations that are going to be needed, I mean, it's going to be massive. Think about how many gas stations there are out there. So they definitely have a lot of potential long-term, but I think they're long-term plays, man. I wouldn't be expecting, you know, ChargePoint or a lot of these electric vehicle plays just to jump overnight. Man, Redbox rolling, dude. 856. Now the after-hours action comes in here. Back down a little bit, but my goodness, what a strong day on Redbox, up 27.5%. Redbox, massive gains there. Run on Amy. We got a run on Amy, Trapper. AMC running to 1307 at the close, 9.37% higher today. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1091. GameStop ran 14% on the day, closed at $146.18. Redbox closing 27.5% higher, sitting at $8.55. We've got... the NASDAQ closing almost 1% higher today. Viewer Therapeutics, 76 cents, jumping slightly after hours. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin just barely below even today. Sundial sitting at 37.98. Mullen Auto, $1.34. Camber Energy, 61 cents. The SPY, $415.48. BBIG, $2.10. Highcroft Mining, $1.31. Netflix, $198. And then we got Redbox there as well. We can keep that on the chart since it's moving right now. Click. How can I eat a banana? Isaac, the lick and stick technique is the best way to eat a banana, man. Johnson just told brother, big things coming for the future in Shib. We are all believe the hype is real. Hey, PS5, yeah, I think that Shib is going to do really well, especially during the bull market. Hey, Clay, bro, how's Cardano doing today? Actually, you know what? I have not looked at Cardano today. Let's see what Cardano's got going on here. ADA. Why is ADA not in the list? I don't know. Can you guys hear the rain? Or no? Hey, Cardano not doing too bad at all, man. Retesting some levels of resistance right in here if it breaks through. Breaks through on a little bull market, bull run in the crypto market. Dude, you're looking at 78 cents again. But not a bad day at all considering the overall crypto market is slightly down right now. Cardano is sitting up 4% at 63.5 cents there. So not bad at all. And we're watching this bad boy right here. AERC pulling back into the close, sitting at $11.97. $11.97, 12.01 right now. Sitting down 0.5% after hours, but massive gains on the day there. So let's see what happens. In that one, we'll be checking back in a minute. Right now, we are looking at AMC rolling relatively subdued after hours. Shiba looks good. GameStop and Redbox. We expected this little pullback here in Redbox. Massive day leading into a high level of resistance there. What's that Shib yield farming? It's going to burn Shib or what? So, Suvam, I don't know if that is going to burn Shiba Inu coin or not. I need to look at it and look into it, but it's basically going to be a way for you to, provide more liquidity and earn an interest rate on your Shiba Inu coin. I do not know if they will be setting it up to burn anything and just offering you a lesser rate and using part of the percentage to burn, or what their idea is, I guess. Or what their idea is. I can still talk when you guys do that because the audio comes through. I don't know why I always repeat myself then. The audio comes through the mic, but my phone's what cuts out. So I can just keep talking. I don't know why I do that. Yeah, so I don't know what their percentages are looking at. I'd have to look at that a little bit more. But it would be a way for you to earn increased interest by, not staking, but providing liquidity on your Shiba Inu coin. First time seeing you live, mate. Love your channel. Emil, thank you very much for being in here. Really appreciate that. First time seeing me live. I think it's crazy. The first time people see me live after being live every single day every single weekday. For like the last year and a half, man. It's crazy to me. Banana split. Stig likes the banana splits. Good deal. Chevy Silver Raider. Be careful. I got burned on Volt, right? We talking Volt? We talking something else? Volta. Yes. Calibro. Gala Link, a Polygon. Been green for days now while crypto is down. Hey, man. And I actually saw something on Gala the other day that looked pretty... Golly bum. Please. Okay. It's another one of them glitch candles. Don't worry. It's got to be one of those glitch candles. Yeah. It's got to be 7, almost. It's down 8% on that glitch. Man, I don't understand what is going on with that. With 1,200 shares driving the price like that. It does this every single day now. It's ridiculous what's going on with AMC after hours. Mike Johnston, thank you for the member chat. 10 months, man. I love it. AMC to keep running after hours and all day tomorrow. Let's do it, man. I hope it runs. Dude, I hope it runs for the rest of the month, man. Let's make June the squeeze month. Every year, we just squeeze something in June. We all meet back up, and then we squeeze something. Speaking of squeezing, Wanna, thank you for the banana. Wanna says, who was asking how to properly eat a banana earlier? It's called the lick and stick technique. You take the banana, you tilt the head back a little bit, and you lick it. Eye contact, very important. You lick it, and you stick it. Wanna, thank you very much for the banana super sticker. Really appreciate that. And I don't know if Trapper's in here. There he is. There he is. I knew the banana would attract the Trapper, just like the corn attracts the squirrels, man. I knew that banana would attract the Trapper. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Wanna. Tim, I've heard nice things about ChargePoint, but it's long-term and average is at $14 at the moment. Very nice. I actually don't even know where ChargePoint's trading right now. No, wanna, yes, wanna. Seriously, I just watched that candle live. Crypto Rocketeer, me too, man. Me too. I watched it live with you. Give us something good. What do you want, man? I'll give you anything good. But Baby Doge token today, I was very late. But anyway, anyhow, not bad entry even. Hey, FX Pro. I really don't know too much about Baby Doge, man. There might be a couple people in here that have it. I would consider it a much more risky meme coin than Shiba Inu coin or Dogecoin is. So if you're into it, hey, I say go get it, man. Shannon says crypto to be banned by the end of 2023, unfortunately. Hey, good news is you can't really ban it. I mean, how you going to ban it, dude? How you really going to ban a decentralized token? You want it, you can get it. Brent says level up. Level up. Level up. Brent, thank you for the level up. Thank you very much for the level up. Brent, thank you for the super sticker, man. Really appreciate all of the super stickers today. Guys, we are leveling up, baby. You know what it is. It's time to level up. Brent says, let's get started. I like it, dude. Thank you very much for the super sticker. We're leveling up, baby. We're leveling up. I like what's happening here. Oh, man. I knew I forgot something. I'm out, man. I'm out. Brent, dude, thank you very much. Mono, trying to show the guy. No, man, it's Brent. He said level up, man. Time to level up right there. We got a gold like that little gamer boy. Greetings from Europe. Costa, Georgie. Greetings from Ohio, man. Glad to have you in here. Good afternoon, boss. Life of a noble man. Glad to have you in here as well. Good afternoon to you. Today bought many coin tokens. XCC, Wink, Luke, Shib, Lunk, Baby Doge, BTTC, and others. Man, FX Pro loading up today. FX, you think that this is the bottom? You're doing pretty well if you bought earlier today. You know, Bitcoin running from 29,000 to 31,000 there. Shiba Inu coin back up a little bit. Ethereum back up a little bit. So not a bad entry. I'm still skeptical about, you know, that $30,000 level on Bitcoin. But that's just me, dude. Seems like the overall market's getting pretty comfortable at 30,000. What does it matter what I think if the overall market's comfortable, you know? Oh, that ain't a glitch. I don't care what anybody says. I was watching the orders and it was really fishy. Yeah, Crypto Rocketeer. It's not a glitch, man. It's not a glitch. It's been happening every single day. And for some reason, there are, and I don't know what the reason is, right? There are orders being filled like 10% up and 10% down. Not a lot of orders. But the orders seem to be wild, or the spread seems to be wild or something. And it's not just on AMC either. So it's hitting multiple stocks basically at the same time. I don't know why, but it's not a glitch. Like, those prices are legit. How's Redbox still a thing when even Netflix is dying? Remy, man. I don't know, but actually I have rented several red boxes lately. So I guess that's how they're still a thing, man. What's your thoughts on Mullen Automotive? Mullen. Steve Barnett. Hey, dude. I like Mullen, okay? I don't think that Mullen has very good revenue, if any revenue right now, based on their latest quarterly earnings report. I don't think they had any. Let me look. Income statement. Yeah, man, their two latest quarters, they had zero revenue. So I don't know what's going on there. I imagine they're going to get that number back up and they're going to start looking a lot better. But, dude, they do look extremely cheap right now. I mean, look at this daily chart. Trading back in the $15 to $20 range, hitting 50 cents. They can go on some wild swings. So just be careful, man. This level in here could be some massive support if it falls back down to it. What is this, $1? This dollar range could be massive support if it falls back down to it. So just watch it. But yeah, man, this thing it's been known to run. So be careful with it, both to the upside and to the downside. So don't get caught holding it if it's going down, but if it's going up, you're doing great. Brents, give me your top 3 investments right now. Crypto or stocks, man. Crypto or stocks, because I really like VGX token. Okay. Clearly, I like Shiba Inu coin for 2 cryptos. And then, honestly, if we're going for a stock, I don't know if I have a top stock to pick right now. Stocks that I'm watching, that I'm potentially going to get in on as a trade. Redbox and Mullen are 2 that I'm watching right now. Mullen Auto and Redbox. I want to see Redbox pull back a little bit before I'd pull the trigger on it, though. The volatility there has been crazy, and it's getting a ton of hype on social media as a potential short squeeze play, very similar to what GameStop was back at the end of 2020, beginning of 2021. So it did hit a massive level of resistance today. I would expect a pullback off of this level. If it breaks through, dude, I think it's going to go on a run. But the fact that it hit, boom, pull back, hit, boom, pull back, hit, boom, pull back, where it pulls back to, I don't know. But I would expect some sort of a pullback off this level of resistance. We're seeing a slight one after hours right now, but we're going to have to see what happens tomorrow during trading. But this is one I've definitely got my eye on right now to pull the trigger on if I can get a better entry than where it's at. Top stock, beef, chicken, and vegetable. There you go, Stig. Hood, you have a DVD player still? Remy, I have a PS3 still, man. So, let that tell you something. I have a PS3 still, so I definitely have a DVD player. I told people about Redbox 3 weeks ago. Mike, yes you did, man. And Mike, I know you're making money today. If you didn't sell, man, I know you're making money today. So solid move on that one. Protect your profits, dude, because it's volatile stock. I don't want to see you give all your money back. Very nice gain today. Very nice gain today. Don't be afraid to take advantage of it if you haven't already. If you did, perfect, man. Tell us how. You don't have to tell us how much you made. Inspire the rest of us to continue investing. Percentages are awesome. How much do you want for you to tell us how much she... Emmy, there's no such thing. I can't be bought, man. Come on. The only people that can buy me are people that are willing to put links in my description. So if you're a business out there that wants a link in my description, hit me up, man. You're going to be seeing public links here pretty soon. I'm going to tell you that. Well, I was watching a lot of Lunk videos, but realized it doesn't matter because I can't sell. Caesar, where you holding if you can't sell, man? Where you holding if you can't sell? Because you can sell on Voyager right now. I know you can do that. You're the man. Thanks for keeping it up. Or thanks for all the great content. Keep it up, Brent. You're the man, dude. Thank you for the super chat or super sticker. Clear, when Shibarium launches very soon, yes, soon, very soon, what will happen if all crypto green or on basis of Shibarium? Let's see. PS5, are you saying if it's a bull market and it launches during a bull market or what? Because I don't think that Shibarium right away, I don't think we're going to see the underlying effects on Shiba Inu coins on the price and stuff. I think when Shibarium launches, it's just going to be a hype. It's just going to be, a lot of expectations. And those expectations, I would imagine, will go unmet. Now, what do I mean by that? Don't get discouraged or disappointed. I mean, right now, people think that everybody is going to flock to Shibarium. Everybody's going to move their Shiba Inu coin over. We're immediately going to be trading $1 billion a day worth of Shiba Inu coin. Worth of Shiba Inu coin on Shibarium on a daily basis. I don't think it's going to be anywhere near those levels, man. I think we may get lucky to trade a couple $100,000 of Shibarium or of Shiba Inu coin on Shibarium during the launch, during the first while, as more and more people adopt it and begin to trade there. Now, knowing that, if people do get discouraged, if they see that, there's going to be a lot of backlash and people are going to get upset and there might be some selling off following the hype. However, long term, if more and more people do continue to adopt Shibarium, dude, I think it's going to be a great way to burn a massive amount of Shiba Inu coin, and I think it's going to be a great way to reduce the overall gas fees that you've got if you are interested in trading Shiba Inu coin. Saw your video earlier. Dirk, man, thanks for watching. Do we know what we No, so Dirk, no. I don't know what is going to be, and I don't know if we're, dude, I don't know if they're ever going to tell us. You know what I mean? Like, I honestly don't know if they're going to tell us. So if you're thinking about the Shibarium and the taxes, like the transaction taxes, and how much Shiba can be burnt based on the burn transaction tax, or whether or not the developers are going to be putting money in their pocket based on each transaction tax, dude, I don't know if they're ever going to tell us what that looks like. I truly don't. I'm sure some people will be able to figure it out. The guys that are much smarter than me be able to figure it out, looking at the blockchain and all the transactions and stuff. But man, I don't know. I don't know if they're ever going to come clean and tell us about that. Can you wash sales many times as you want if you're not worried about claiming losses on taxes? Yeah, Peter James, man. So that's all the wash sale rule is. It doesn't mean that you can't go out there and trade and take a loss and open that position back up and take a loss and open that position back up and take a loss and so on. What basically happens in that case is if you buy a stock back within that 30-day period, so you're supposed to wait 31 days. If you buy a stock back within that 31-day period, you don't get to claim that loss. Your cost basis basically rolls over into that new position. So if you are not worried about claiming that loss, you're going to be fine. If you are closing out of your position, maybe it's towards the end of the year or something, or you do want to write that loss off, then yeah, you shouldn't jump back into that same position within a 31-day period. You or anybody that's on your tax return, like if you're filing joint or something like that, I don't think either one of you can have it in your portfolio afterwards, like buying it back within a 31-day period. What are your Bitcoin price predictions for end of year? YNB fight. Oh my gosh. 50,000 or 15,000, man. I think that it's either going to go up very nicely or it's going to go down very nicely. I would hate to see Bitcoin sitting at 30,000 by the end of the year. I do think we're going to see some massive volatility pumped up here, but we're either going to see a fall through that $30,000 level and a massive decline, or we're going to see a very nice bounce off and start moving lower. We need AMC videos. Do a poll. Hey, William, I'm actually thinking about doing an AMC video for tonight based on this payment for order flow. So you may see one tonight. I've done a Shiba Inu coin video this morning. I may just do another like crypto in general in an AMC video. I mean, it might not be AMC exclusive. I might throw GameStop in there as well. But talking about why they were running today and the fact that, Gary Gensler is going to be speaking on payment for order flow. And then, I don't know if I'll do another one on Luna Classic or if I'll do another one on Shiba or just a crypto in general video, because I want to try and read a little bit more about that, the leaked executive order or the leaked regulations or whatever it is for crypto before I do a video on it. But I would like to talk about that. I think the show is awesome, dude. To watch it every time it pops up myself. Steve, the good news is we are live twice a day during the week, so you don't have to wait for it to pop up on your cell phone. If it doesn't pop up, man, come to YouTube and check it out. We are glad to have you in here, Steve. We want to see you in here every single day. Anybody else want to see Steve in here every single day? For real, because I do. Jose Pioquinto, can you give a shout out for David Pina from Tijuana, Mexico? It's his birthday today. Jose, absolutely, man. Watch this. Everybody in the chat right now, give, David Pina from Tijuana, Mexico, a shout out for their birthday, and I got you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, there, Mr. Pina. David Pina. Happy birthday to you. David Pina, man, happy birthday. Jose, dude, thank you very much for the shout out. Really appreciate that super sticker. And, oh, man, how's it go? Feliz cumpleaños. How's it going, man? I don't even know how to sing it in Spanish anymore, darn it. I should have had you, man. Tijuana, Mexico, shout out in the building. Look at all these happy birthdays in the chat right now. David, it's your birthday, boy. Go celebrate. Enjoy it. Newbie question here. How long does the bull run usually last? Start gaming. There may not be a typical period. So if you're looking at the stock market, you had a pullback in the early 90s, a nice bull run through the 90s to the dot-com bubble in 2000. Dot-com bubble burst, the bear market lasted about a year, and we ran till about 2007. Ran into all the problems with mortgage-backed securities, fell until about 2009, and so about a year and a half there in the bear market, and then actually a pretty nice run from 2009 until 2022, which is what we're seeing now. Now, of course, we did have some stagnation back in 2017. We also had some stagnation and a drastic pullback with the whole C word thing in the pandemic at the beginning of 2020 there. But I think what we're seeing right now is another bear market. So, dude, based on just the last 30 years, stock market bear markets usually last somewhere around, I don't know, dude, a year, maybe 2 years. Bull markets, 7 to 10 years. And then crypto is a little bit of a different story. Crypto, we've really had one bear market so far, and that was the crypto winter. It started to decline at the beginning, very end of 2017, very beginning of 2018, and it stayed down, dude, through 2020. So it also lasted about 2 years, and then it rose for about a year and a half. Now we're seeing another pullback. So we could be in another year of a crypto bear market here, man. But bear markets are what makes millionaires and billionaires, dude. So if you're able to outlast this bear market in crypto, if it does get as bad as a lot of people think that it could get, with Bitcoin falling back down through 30,000, potentially touching 10,000 again, dude, you're going to be looking at prices that are going to set you up for, I don't want to say easy because nothing's guaranteed, but just if we reach the previous all-time highs, I mean, dude, you're going to be looking 8, 9, 10, 20, 50x gains across the board. So I would stay optimistic even if things get worse. Let's see. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Oh my gosh, que la pasas feliz, feliz cumpleaños, David. I don't know if I got it right or not, Juana, but thank you very much. No Gales, feliz, yes. I don't know if I sang it right or not, but Juana, thank you very much for telling me how to sing it in Spanish. Feliz cumpleaños a ti, que la pasas feliz. Feliz cumpleaños, David. I don't know if I got it right or not, but Juana, thank you. Shiba Inu says 200 million. I like it. How many Shiba you holding? Shiba Inu's got 200 million. Hey, is Binance really burning Luna? I've not seen a confirmation from them, William. I've not seen a confirmation from them. I've seen a lot of people, not messaging them, but tagging them in things on Twitter and kind of requesting them to burn Shiba Inu coin, but I have not seen anything from them yet as to whether or not they're burning Luna. It'd be awesome if they did, but I don't know if they are. My Shib average is 2,400. When we bull run in October, should I sell it when it hits or exceeds my average, then rebuy in a few months after when and if it drops? So, Remy, here's the thing, man. Here's the way that I think I'm going to play it. And you don't have to play it accordingly, right? But if we see some massive gains that are decoupled from the overall crypto market. So let's say Bitcoin is up 5%, but we've got some Shibarium speculation, or we found out that Shibarium burnt a trillion coins or something. Whatever the news is at the time. Paris Hilton decides to jump on board with Shiba, and she drops a $2 million on Shib, becomes a whale. I don't know. Whatever the story is that drives it higher. If Shiba Inu coin's rolling 300, 400%, those type of gains aren't necessarily sustainable. We saw that the last several times that it ran. When it ran to 3,500 points per coin back in May, it dropped back down. when it outpaced the overall crypto market and ran to 8,800 points back in October, November timeframe, it dropped back down. So if it exceeds the overall crypto market, I will have no problem taking my gains and then jumping back in at a later date. It's all going to boil down to whether or not I think it's a sustainable run or I just think it's a hype run. If it's a hype run, I'm definitely taking my profit and just waiting until it falls back down. If it's just a slow and steady rise up, man, I think I'm just going to let it roll. Bro. Hombre David Pina Feliz a Titi. Yes, man. Happy birthday to you. Bear rhymes with millionaire. Thank you so much for that complete and awesome answer, mate. Brofist. Boom! Start gaming. Absolutely. Inflation report Friday. Negative recession. Depression time. Let's get started. Dude, I'm telling you right now, I don't think we're going to be seeing any good news on the recession or the inflation front here for quite some time. So I am buckled down and ready for whatever bear market we get thrown. You invested in Dutch, Tesla, and Dutch are my long position. Dutch Bros Coffee? You talking about something else? Life of a Nobleman. We're going to break Discord. 8 Mafia Club. LFG. Parvez Momo. Why are you going to break Discord, dude? What do you think about Jasmine long term? Jake, yo. I don't know, man. Jasmine keeps hitting these lower lows, man, and it's getting blasted. If it's able to survive this bear market, which I am not guaranteeing, and I don't know if it will, if it's able to survive the bear market, it has got a long way up. Now, hey, man, here's the thing. Right now, barely anybody wants to take a chance. Everybody's getting conservative. I'm going to pull Shiba Inu coin back down and starting to roll. Everybody's getting conservative. Everybody's fearful. Everybody's afraid of what's going on in the market, and we're not seeing massive gains. If people become very confident again, we could absolutely see them jump into these smaller coins like Jasmine. Remember when Clifford Inu, when that coin was running, dude? All of these little coins were just rolling back in October, November because of what Shiba Inu coin was doing and because every investor was confident that it was only going to go up forever. Right now, we're confident that it's going to go down forever and just fearful that we're never going to see gains again. So if we get back to that mentality, I do think it can roll higher. It's just whether or not it survives this bear market. Hello, bro. Any hypothetical price predictions if it burns trillions a month for Shiba after Shibarium? Oh, yeah, it's Saif, dude. So I think everybody that wants to see it hit a penny and so on, I think that becomes a much more plausible reality. If we start burning trillions a month, dude, we're still going to have a long way to go. It's still not, it's what's going to happen if it's Shibarium burning them, and it is burning trillions a month. Those are sustainable burns. They have every chance of getting bigger, and they have every chance of not slowing down. So I would be very excited about a lot of those price predictions that, we talk about with a penny and so on. I think those would be much more realistic if we start burning those types of numbers. What do you think about Optimism? So I don't know what Optimism coin is, man. Sorry, Stress Free Company. Just putting on Crow and Tectonic. Well, I do like Crow as an exchange coin. I think as the exchange grows, the coin is going to grow. Tectonic, look, dude, if you're wanting to stake it, they got some of the greatest staking rewards that are out there. So I say go for it, but staking's dangerous. What I like, dude, I like holding on Voyager. You got a link in the description below if you want to use it, but you don't even have to stake your coins, and you earn up to, well, honestly, it's 12%. But then if you're a VGX loyalty member, I think you can go as high as 14% that you can earn on just holding your cryptocurrency. You don't even have to stake it or anything. You don't, like, no locking, anything like that. You just are guaranteed that interest rate. Unbuy is now up 192%. Is that a coin? Coin rolling today? Oh, dude, there's a ton of these out here. I don't know which one we're talking about. Probably this one. Yeah, I don't know. Is this one you're talking about, man? Being up 192 right now? Clay, if Shib gets off Ethereum blockchain and goes onto their own, does this allow the developers to make changes to Shib and alters make... So, Remy, I don't think that they can change Shiba Inu coin. However, I do think that they can, you know, put whatever kind of... I mean, I'm just going to say transaction tax. I don't know if it's necessarily the same thing. This is not on the Shiba Inu coin smart contract. But yeah, if they're building their own layer 2 blockchain, they can have whatever fees associated with transactions that they want. So that is still a possibility. But that wouldn't be exclusive to Shiba Inu coin. That would literally be anything that they set up out there. So if they're just rolling with... I mean, that would be any token that's traded on their blockchain. So that wouldn't be exclusive to Shiba Inu coin. I don't think it would change anything with the overall contract of Shiba Inu coin. Hey guys, bull run starts. Shiba Inu is going to, boom, kill 2-0 soon. Let's get it, man. I hope it does. We've got Bitcoin starting to pull back a little bit right now. Shiba's starting to pull back a little bit right now. Bitcoin, 31,290. Shiba Inu coin, 11,000. But hey, man, we've had some wild action here so far. Redbox is down 4.80% on after hours trading, sitting at 817 right now. Kind of expecting a pullback there after today's gains and ending at the level of resistance that we did. We've got, I wanted to see AERC, see what it was doing after hours. Still up, man. Up 15% after hours. Oh my gosh, dude. This stock is hitting all not all-time highs, but new recent highs. Tapped like 14 something here during the day, busting through to 15.25 after hours. Oh my gosh, dude. This stock is a massive runner. I thought for sure we would have been seeing a pullback after hours on this one, but it just continues to run. Look at this daily chart. Look at this daily chart. Like, look at this. Wow, man. From $1.76 a couple weeks ago, $2 per share a couple days ago, it is sitting at 15. All right, well, now it's back down already. 13.70 after hours. It touched 15.25 after hours, sitting at 13.67 right now. Wild gains in AERC, man. If you guys want to know why, FDA approved some sort of an air purification technique that they've got. So it's running on that news right now, and people are loving it. Son says Shiba Inu is the best because it's a cool dog. So hard buy. Brent, there you go, man. Cool dog, hard buy. I like it. Gives me good chills. My bro talks about a possible reality. Hey, Saif, man, you know, it's much more possible. It's much more probable, too, if we're able to burn those kind of coins, man, especially if it's on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. You know, look, if we're only burning if we're only burning 1 trillion coins a month, it's still relatively small in terms of the overall supply. But dude, if you're sitting there with a long-term approach and you're sitting on a 5-year, 10-year time frame, yeah, man, yeah, who wouldn't want to take 100 million Shiba and ride it to a penny? It's $1 million. I don't care if that happens in 5 years. Think about it. When you don't think that you're going to want $1 million in 5 years from now, of course you will. Back to Milkshake estimates 1 trillion Shib burn every 3 days. When Shibarium rolls out, it should excite a lot of people. Now would be the time to hoard those. Yeah, Remy, dude, you know, it's all about the numbers, right? It's all about whether or not people do use Shibarium. If they don't, we're not going to see those numbers. If they do, then we should see those numbers. But yeah, dude, people, I mean, that, like, the thought alone is exciting. I never want to get so hyped up that I just go out and buy something because of the hype. But yeah, you should get excited about that. Let's see. Parvez likes the Ape Mafia Club. Okay, dude, good deal. What's the Ape Mafia Club got going on? I'm just hoping they don't create a Shiba version 2 and change it for the way. Yeah, Remy, I don't think that they are going to do that. I don't think that they can, but that's just me thinking. You know, they have ATMs for Bitcoin in Florida. Yeah, dude, they have, you know, you can go to the mall here in Ohio and see some of those little, I don't know, they look like ATMs, right? Go buy some Bitcoin if you want to buy some Bitcoin. Thank you to whoever deleted Naked HD. Really appreciate you. I have no idea why these people are allowed to make names like that on YouTube. It's just not cool. Naked guys in the chat, heck yeah, party starting. Tim says, let's get started. I'm here to ride the wave all the way through with my bro, Saif. Good deal, man. Clay bro, why do all crypto go green above Bitcoin? 31,500 last few months. Your technical analysis. Yeah, PS5, future of gaming. I think I understand what you're saying. So, if you're looking at Bitcoin on a daily chart, where's it at? If you're looking at Bitcoin on a daily chart here, man, you can see that we've really come down from that 69,000 high we hit, and we are sitting right here at a multi-year. This $30,000 line, this red line here, is a massive multi-year level of support. You can see that we don't want to break it right now. We've been here for a month. You can see that we tapped it, boom, 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 throughout 2021. The beginning of 2021, boom, did not want to fall back down through it. And didn't provide too much resistance on the way up, but really holding up as a level of support multi-year. If we break back up to the upside, if we see a bounce back up off of this, why wouldn't history repeat itself? And boom, we could see a beautiful run up to 60,000. Boom, beautiful run up to 50, and then maybe a pullback or whatever, but boom, beautiful run up to 60,000 again. Boom, if we coincide with a bounce off this $30,000 level, and the overall market sentiment turns again, there would be no reason why we can't hit new all-time highs. However, market sentiment doesn't seem to be shifting just yet, and we've still got a lot of fear out there in the globe right now. If we do break down through this, I would expect all cryptos to be red, and I would expect the next major level of support. We've got a little support in this $20,000 area. We've briefly bounced off this 25,000. You can see here, coming down, testing it in this area, which is right in here, this little cluster. But man, 20,000 could hold up, but the main level of support comes in this $9,000 to $10,000 range, and I would, it's going to be a dark winter if we do see it pop back down through that level and start to retest those lows. I can't believe this stock, though, man. It's in at $14 after hours. Wild gains, man. A lot of people interested in AERC. No, just stay there. We don't need to get all weird. What do we have? Can anyone out there tell me if they could do market orders on AERC, or does their platform require that it be a limit order? West Side. I did not try to... I did set a limit order on AERC today, but it was below the price and it never got triggered. I did not try a market order, but if you are trying to trade after hours, if you're trying to buy right now, it has to be a limit order. They don't do market orders after hours. They only do limit orders after hours. So I think it may depend on when you were trying to buy. If you're trying to buy right now, it's got to be a limit order. But a little bit more of Shib. Finally got my airdrop, Luna 2.02, and hold on my Voyager is always gaining rewards. Absolutely, Pudgy, man. Loving those passive income rewards on Voyager. Guys, you can earn, I think, up to like 14%. If you're a top tier VGX holder, you get an extra, I believe, 1.5%, maybe 2% once they hit the new levels. But even if you don't hold any VGX, some of those coins you can get 12% annualized interest on just for holding them. If you want a link, you got it in the description. You're going to get $50 in free Bitcoin for signing up, making a $100 trade. But yeah, you earn like 12% annualized interest just for holding some coins on there. Good afternoon, my glorious bros. What's up, Keith? How you doing, man? Smash that like button, please do. Cladinho, da brozinho, do Ohio, Mr. Simoninho. How you doing, man? Hey, bro, did you like the hamburger from McDonald's disguised as the Shib burglar? Bro, forgot my cup. Yes, I did, man. I actually made sure that I clicked the like button on it, too. because I liked the Hamburglar or the Shibburglar that you had there. I like you the smashy button. Do it. Eric, what's going on, Eric? How do you get your tokens in V2? You mean how do you get your Terra Luna 2.0? Golly bum, man. These naked HD chat guys are ridiculous. Just stop coming in here, man. Again, J Sierra thinking, man, this Luna Classic smells like a Shiba feel back in February. I'm holding Terra for an amazing lottery ticket. I get a feeling it's going to be a young Shiba. Hey, with less target, J Sierra, it very well could be, but you know, I always feel a little bit better if I just reiterate the fact that it is risky. You've got your lottery ticket play. I hope that everybody looks at it that way instead of like, you know, a guaranteed runner or, you know, like it's going to go back up to its $50 billion valuation again and things like that. I am using it as a lottery ticket play, and I think that that's much more prudent. Get out of here, Negative HD. Yeah, listen to Keith, man. When are dark pools going away? Rubber ducky, you're the one. Rubber ducky, dark pools are so much fun. I highly doubt dark pools go away, man. Gary Gensler's going to be talking about payment for order flow tomorrow and how retail investors' orders are routed. So people, that's why AMC and GameStop jumped up today. People are hopeful that Gary Gensler puts a stop to payment for order flow. And if he does, the last thing I want to see is for payment for order flow to end, and we all have to pay commission, and all of a sudden, we don't squeeze. You know, everybody's putting this emphasis on payment for order flow like it's the only thing keeping us from squeezing, and I do not want to see it fall through. Robinhood, I can almost guarantee you Robinhood goes out of business if they stop payment for order flow. If Robinhood goes out of business, you're not going to see these free brokers around anymore. Cardano's doing okay. Yeah, Cardano was up 4% earlier. Hi, Clay. Glad to catch the live stream today. May I ask, what are your thoughts on Shib, and when do you think Shib will break out of the upside beyond 1,200 points per coin? Buck stops here. When do I think it's going to bust back up above 1,200 points per coin? When Bitcoin breaks back above 32,000 and starts to move higher. I think it's really tied to the price of Bitcoin right now, and as you can see in the bottom left, Bitcoin is doing very well today. It is bouncing back up after being very volatile and coming back down, but this area right in here has been holding up as some resistance, man. So if we're able to break through and start to run back up, yeah, I expect Shiba Inu coin to run back up as well. So keep your eye on this if you expect this to rise as well. You know, we're still in this level of support right here, and longer term Bitcoin, same deal right down there. But if Bitcoin breaks out, man, we might get a little run, and I would expect a little run on Shiba Inu coin as well. Let's get back to the 1 minute charts. Okay, I have Mullen Automotive, and it's moving up after hours. Is Mullen moving after hours? Yeah, dollar 1.49%. Very nice. Mullen is up to $1.35. It's up a cent after hours. Not bad at all, man. Hopefully make some money on it. Because look at Shiba when it started. It was a lottery pool. Yeah, it definitely was a lottery pool, man. When Shiba first started, I was saying the exact same thing about it. I was saying, you know, super risky, most likely a scam, so treat it as a scam. If you want to buy it and take a risk on it, buy it and take a risk on it. If you don't. Same way I feel about Luna. You know, it's the same way I feel about Luna. Who we need to talk? If you truly believe in AMC Squeeze and you want to bring more people to the movement, then why aren't you making it? No, I think I'm going to make one tonight, man. Not going to lie. It seems like you've lost interest. Well, no, I haven't lost interest in AMC at all. I have lost interest in the fact that, like, when I was making AMC videos, only like 1,500 people were watching them. And it's tough, dude, to make videos for a year plus and have a constant audience, and then all of a sudden your audience disappears and says, well, we would rather watch this new guy and give this dude with 5,000 subscribers 5,000 views instead of watching you. So I don't know, man. I feel you got to make videos on what people want. But look, I still hold my AMC. I still talk about AMC every day. I still expect AMC to squeeze. Haven't sold a single share yet. and still excited about it. But I do think I'll do a video on why AMC and GameStop are rolling, and the fact that Gary Gensler is going to be talking about payment for order flow. On the day, Unified Protocol DAO. Is it really, man? Yeah. Yeah, it really is. City 26. Guys, could be a scam token, though, so watch out for it. I don't know what this token is here. Doesn't look like a scam. It's been out for, well, it could be a scam. It's been out for a long time now. Been out since, wow, since 2020. So very interesting that it is jumping on massive volume. $400 million traded so far today. I have no idea where you're going to get this token, but sitting at $26.25, up 644% right now. 574% right now. So massive, massive gains on the day here. Going from $2 a couple of days ago, right? Gosh, dude, $4 yesterday. Last week it was sitting at $2. 10x in the last week on this coin. No idea what it is, but we got somebody pointing it out, so there you go. Juana, thank you for the super chat. Juana says, Clay, I know your favorite flavor ice cream. Juana, that is delicious. That is delicious right there, Juana. That strawberry ice cream. Oh, yeah. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate the ice cream and the banana from Juana today. Thank you very much for the super stickers. Forever bro. Matt, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I like it. You should make an AMC video on what is going on with AMC, explaining the short squeeze so that new retail investors understand what is going on. I am sure there are tons of investors that don't know. Yeah, Mr. Simon, I would actually agree with that. It's been so long since somebody's made a what's going on with AMC video, too, that I think people would be able to watch that. Yes, still holding AMC. I think AMC has been trending upwards today. I hope it keeps going up. Oh, me too, man. Clint, I'm glad you did that. I figured you would. However, now that you've said it, that it doesn't seem counterproductive, not making videos on something we need attention. No, yeah, Eric, completely, man, completely. I agree. The only thing is, like, if I make a video and it gets 1,000 views, but some new dude comes in and makes a video and it gets 5,000 views, I mean, people figure out who they want to watch, right? And, you know, it's kind of clear that if they want to watch the newer guy, well, let the newer guy make the videos. I don't have a problem, like, letting somebody else make the videos on something. Especially if nobody wants to watch. We'll find out. If I make a video on AMC tonight, we'll find out if people are watching or not. Redbox coming back down after hours, sitting 6% lower after hours at $8.03 right now. What else was rolling? Okay, we talked about Veru earlier. Man, okay, $11.90 after hours right now. Back down. My gosh, dude, what a volatile stock that is. Veru, we talked about Veru hitting levels of resistance and potentially buying puts. See, we talked about this earlier. Veru sitting up here, and we said, dang, man, probably good day to buy puts. Somebody remind me tomorrow to watch this, to pull this up. We were talking today, I don't know exactly at what level, but we said hitting massive resistance. Today could be a decent day to buy some puts on Veru. So let's watch what happens tomorrow. Somebody may have to remind me to check that out there. And then we are expecting, I think I got the line on Redbox though. Yeah, we're expecting a pullback based on Redbox reaching resistance as well. So we're gonna watch Redbox and Veru tomorrow as potential pullback plays and see what happens based on those two massive levels of resistance being hit. If it breaks through, sweet. If it doesn't break through, well, would have been a good day to buy puts on it, wouldn't it? So we'll see what happens there. But somebody's got to remind me tomorrow to look at Veru since it's not on this watch list over here. Click at that ice cream looking a little more fishy than those candles. Crypto Rocketeer, man, calm down. Great Value makes a better version of White Castle sliders. Pudgy, interesting, man. Somebody tell the ape father. I know he likes White Castle, so somebody needs to tell him about that. AERC was pumping dude. AERC was ridiculous today. AERC hit $10. I actually put an order in at $9 to see if it would pull back. It pulled back to about $9.70 and never triggered my order. So I would have been pretty happy to get in at $9 when it shot back up to 14 towards the end of the day. But man, it didn't trigger. It didn't trigger. So you just, what do you do if it doesn't trigger? It doesn't look right, bro. Hey, Steve. Shoot, man, it doesn't look right, but it feels. No, I'm just kidding. But you said my favorite word, free. What is a free name? What is a free name? What? I think I might have missed something on that one. Bumped into some rug pulls, One Piece, and Suzuki Inu. I've learned from that. I think Juana likes you, J. Sierra. What? No. AMC not moving a penny after hours. It's stuck, man. Look at that chart up there. It is stuck. GameStop stuck as well. Like, look at this. AMC and GameStop rolling during trading and just sitting dead still after hours. Ask yourself this. Why aren't people watching my AMC videos? I believe it's because of the lack of hope. If you make a video about AMC and tell the truth of what it's hopefully... Maybe. But, dude, at the same time, you know, and I don't want to use this as, like, an example because Trey clearly has a lot more followers. Dude, Trey makes a video where he tells you that he thinks that AMC is going to go up into the $250 range or something, as opposed to $250,000 range. Gets 100,000+ views on it. But dude, I don't know if it's about hope, man. It's just still a little crazy that people think that $250,000 a share is still on the table. And then I understand that Trey was, you know, one of the ones that was out there really promoting the $100,000 range and really promoting the billions and trillions of naked shares that are out there. And it might be hard for somebody to hear Trey say, no, it's not going to hit, you know, 100,000 after he spent the last year saying it's going to hit 100,000. But a lot of hate on that video too. Let's see. Heck yeah, DD214. Clay, read my last message. I did. AMC not moving a penny after hours, Mr. Simon. I saw that. Oh, well, maybe this one. Like the video you made on March 2021 or before comparing a short squeeze to a spring. Remember? I liked that explanation. I do. Oh my god. Okay, it's not that bad. We really zoomed in there. I was like, what the heck is happening? Yeah, I do remember that video, man. I could do something like that again. I actually liked doing that video. I remember doing that one. Made a lot of sense to me as well, dude. Where are we at here? Got to catch back up. Slide your mouse over the AMC line. Those numbers move a lot. Yes, they do. Watch Claybro forever. Thank you. Read that. AERC rug pull in after hours, Clay. Check it out. Oh, boy. AERC, where we at? Where we at? Where we at? It's not a rug pull after hours, man. It's just down 1% right now after being up pretty nice. Only down 1% from where we're at. But, dude, I would hate to wake up. Like, I would have hated to get in. Okay, so it hit 950 after pulling back there. Yeah, it hits $10. It hit $10, and I put an order in at 9 to come back down into this range right here. I wanted to capture this level of support. But, no, really kind of tapped off the maximum candle here. It came down and touched 950. So, I didn't get triggered. But, dude, I would hate to wake up tomorrow. And it's a definite possibility, right? If you're looking at the daily on AERC, it's a definite possibility to wake up tomorrow and be trading at $6. You know, and this was the run. And you had your day traders in here for a day, 2 days really. And this was the run. You wake up tomorrow, maybe it opens at 7, back down at $4 per share. I would hate to see that happen. Okay, last question then. The money you lose in AMC videos, you could make in the one-on-one. So when can we finally do it? You better income. You want a better income. Then let's do it, brother. Eric, I would feel bad about charging somebody to do a one-on-one call, man. I don't know. I really have to sit down and I have to figure it out, dude. I'm falling a little bit behind in emails too. I got to email Public back. They want me to do some videos for them. So I do have to I have to catch up before I get too far behind on that stuff. And then we can figure out some one-on-one type deals if you guys really do want to. Let's see, Trey deserves a hate because he used a fraud to get all those followers. He should never lie about the amount he thought it could go to. Future Whale, I agree, man. I don't know, and I don't know his intentions, right? I don't know if he was lying or if he fell into it and he believed it too. I will tell you though, man, the people on Reddit, they were very mean. And I'm not saying that as somebody that really cares, but they were very mean back in 2021 when I was saying that I didn't think that AMC could go up to $100,000 a share, that I would love to see $1,000 a share. So I know that they are very committed to this idea, and I don't know why they're so committed to the idea of AMC going up to $100,000 a share that they got to tear somebody apart. But I don't know if he deserves the hate for that. I mean, maybe if he was trying to scam people, but I don't think he was trying to scam people, dude. I look at the kid, he's 25 years old when everybody's watching him, and he might have just got excited. You know, I mean, you guys can agree, Trey does seem like a very excitable guy. There's no denying that. But he may have just gotten excited, man, and swept away and carried away. And maybe, and I don't know how much he's lost either. I don't know if he's still got his AMC position and he's down on it right now and he's just feeling down, or what the deal is. I don't talk to him. But I don't know, man. He got a lot of hate on that video. Clay, set up a live where you teach us newbies how to basically analyze and read some basic things related to the market and crypto. Jameson, I think that would be good. And one of the things that I want to do, in these lives too, we could do it in these lives as well, is just any questions in general. Maybe some of you guys don't even know the questions you should be asking, and that's why you don't ask them. But we could try to do some sort of a little bit more of a teachable live. I don't know if we do it every, the morning sessions a hangout or the afternoon sessions a hangout or something, or, we hang out in the morning and then do a teachable live in the afternoon, or, what the best way to go about it is. Maybe 1 day a week, 2 days a week, who knows. But I absolutely agree, dude. There's a lot of people that want to get into investing, but don't even know where to start or don't even know what to look at and things like that. So, yeah, we could definitely at least think of a format. But in the meantime, man, if you've got any questions, for sure, just ask them. That's what this whole thing's about. I was wondering what your opinion on Cardano is. A good short-term or long-term investment? Yeah, so Steven, I don't know if anything is good in the short term right now. I'm going to be honest. I don't know if anything's good in the short term, and I say that simply because of this red line right here, man. This red line is way too important, in my opinion. Everything will be a great investment in the short term if this line holds up. If this line is broken, everything will be a terrible investment in the short term. Longer term, I do think that Cardano survives. Longer term, I think that a lot of these top cryptos survive, and it's still going to be a decent entry because I think we're going to hit all-time highs again. I don't know if this year, next year, 2 years from now. I don't know the time frame, but I say Cardano survives, and I say we hit some all-time highs. However, short-term mentality, dude, it can either be the perfect entry or you're going to kick yourself. This line is it's nuts. And I know I might be putting way too much emphasis on it, but that's what I'm looking at. People were also mean to you when you said there are no synthetics. They hated you, but you explained your point of view, and I remember it very well. You said to not base your trade on synthetics because they can. Because they can come up with, say, there are no synthetics, and that will kill the play. Yeah, Mr. Simon, I know, man, and that's the thing. That's the way that I was basing my trade, just the numbers that we have, and I would not want to see that happen. I do think that can happen, though. And I think that we may be setting ourselves up for something very similar to that with payment for order flow. Okay? I don't think that payment for order flow has been killing the squeeze. This is my personal opinion. I know other people clearly do. I don't think that dark pools have been killing the squeeze. So let's just say, okay, that Gary Gensler does come out, ban payment for order flow, and we get no squeeze. How hard is that going to hit the people that truly believe payment for order flow is to blame? So I've heard you before off and on, and you've been pretty level-headed regarding AMC. Well, thank you, West Side Buy. Appreciate that, man. Keep up the awesome shows, man. Much love. I think your show and Uncle Larry's show are amazing. Stock up with Larry Jones. Is that what you're talking? You're talking different Larry. It was up 25% in after hours from 12 to 15. I'd say rug pull. Okay, from that one, yes. I thought you meant it was pulling back and just completely dying after hours here. And I agree with you on sit there. Boom, 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 boom. Nice, Mr. Simon. And it's, to me, dude, it's icing on the cake. If it does come out and there are synthetics, it just gets that much better, man. It just gets that much better. But, guys, it is 5 o'clock. We're going to have videos coming out in 2 hours and in 3 hours. We've got videos at 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Make sure to check those out. Watch them. Click the like button. Share them. Just support the channel in any way you guys can. Want to say thank you to everybody that's in here, keeping the chat going, keeping it positive, having a great day today. Get your names in the chat. We'll do some shout-outs, and then we'll be back with the videos this evening. We got Mr. Simon, DD214, AMC Trevor saying peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. Crypto Rocketeer, boom, baby, dabbing on him as always. We got Tim, man, see you later. I don't know where to start. Describe my daughter exactly, Clibro. She's not going to listen to dad. She watches some of your videos, thinks you're cute. Help a bro out and teach me too. Tim, man, I'll teach you absolutely, man. Anything you guys want to know. If I know it, I am going to pass it on to you. Remy, Mr. Simon, Tim, Remy, PS5. See you later, Mr. Simon. It's 1 o'clock. See you, Clay. See you later, Wana. If you're in here, enjoy your evening, Wana. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hemi Life, see you later. Westside Pudgy, Mr. Simon, Remy, Mr. Simon, Jameson, Palo, a noise, mano, Jose Pio Quinto. Everybody hit the like button, do it, and happy birthday, David Pina, man. I don't know if David's still listening, but Jose, thank you for the super chat, and shout out to David Pina on his birthday. Hopefully he has a great day today, and feliz cumpleaños, David, if you are listening. Jay Sierra, boom, baby. Chris Tar, see you later. Forgot my cup. Peace out to you, Jose, Jameson, Mr. Simon. You guys know what time it is. Jeremy, thank you for the super chat. Jeremy, we get the Brone in here. Jeremy is the Brone master. Jeremy, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate you, and really appreciate the super chat, man. All of you guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.